You definitely need a wheelchair.
I definitely need it.
Fox is making fun of me.
Ooh, let's go look for squirrels and acorns and stuff. It's gonna be fun, gang. Come on.
As the fox wonders about his habitat, you have to wonder.
The fox wonders about his enclosed habitat.
You have to wonder what is going on inside his head.
They're fed a steady diet of crickets and mulch.
Mulch gang.
Mulch gang for life.
The fox contemplates his next move. Beep bop boop. I'm zooming in on you.
Squirrels. Acorns and shit.
Where?
Okay.
You didn't know? Okay. Hi, cat. Tell me a little bit about yourself. I don't think it's like a carnivore at all. It doesn't look like a predator. You're not a predator, are you? What? Oh God. Nature!
It's all
Nature.
it's all around us.
It's all around us.
It's in your heart.
And in your ass sometimes, so be careful out there.
Nature.